Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that make alien great again token. Now we first start the video. Let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the official alien great again token as Donald Trump pushes for UFO disclosure MAGA leads to narrative on Solana, combining viral culture, real-time alien tracking tech, and movement build for what's coming. Disclosure is coming. Make alien great again project institution rating is 3.5. MAGA token total supply is 978.22 million and circulating supply is also 978.22 million MAGA token. MAGA token is listed on MEXC, Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.